Hi everyone and welcome to SEOLab support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Robots.txt Editor inside SEOLab and how it helps you control what search engines like Google can crawl on your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify admin and go to the SEOLab app. From the left menu, click Search Appearance and then open the Robots.txt tab. At the top of the page, you'll see a short explanation of what Robots.txt is. Robots.txt is a file that tells search engines which pages they are allowed to crawl and which pages they should avoid. Below that, you'll see two options: Robots.txt Customizer and Robots.txt Editor. For most users, the Customizer is recommended because it allows safe rule management without editing raw code. In Robots.txt Customizer tab, you'll see two buttons: Add Rule and View Robots.txt. SEOLab already adds these optimized rules by default, so you don't need to set them up manually. Now, if you want to add your own rule, click Add Rule. A pop-up will appear. Here, you can choose the user agent you want to target the rule type, either allow or disallow, and the URL path you want to control. Once you've entered the details, click Add, and the rule will be applied instantly. Now click View Robots.txt, and it shows the live Robots.txt file exactly as search engines see it. Now let's look at the main section. Here, your Robots.txt rules are grouped by user agent, which means different search engine bots. At the top, you'll see user agent, asterisk. This means these rules apply to all bots, including Google. Below that, you'll see specific user agents such as AdsBot, Google Nudge, Ahrefsbot, Ahrefs Site Audit, MJ12Bot, Pinterest. Each user agent shows how many URL paths are being controlled. You can click on any row to expand it and view the exact rules applied to that bot. For example, under user agent asterisk, you'll see rules blocking paths like admin cart orders checkouts. These are internal Shopify pages that should never appear in Google search results. Blocking them helps prevent crawl waste and keeps Google focused on important pages like products, collections, blogs, and pages. SEOLab already adds these optimized rules by default, so you don't need to set them up manually. SEOLab also protects you from accidentally blocking your entire site or breaking Shopify's required rules. Once everything is set, your Robots.txt file is updated automatically and live on your store. That's how the Robots.txt customizer works inside SEOLab. Now let's take a look at the Robots.txt Editor tab. You can switch to this tab from the top by clicking Robots.txt Editor. This section is meant for advanced users who want full control over the Robots.txt file in its raw format. At the top, you'll see a warning message saying, "Proper format required." This is important. When editing Robots.txt manually, you must follow the correct syntax. Any incorrect formatting or invalid rule can affect how search engines crawl and index your store. Here you can see rules written in standard Robots.txt format, such as user agent star, disallow admin, disallow cart, disallow orders, disallow checkout, and other internal Shopify paths. These rules tell search engines which pages should not be crawled. You can scroll through this file and edit it directly if you know what you're doing. This editor is useful if you want to. Add custom rules not supported in the Visual Customizer fine-tune advanced bot behavior, or paste an existing Robots.txt configuration. However, if you're not familiar with Robots.txt syntax, it's recommended to use the Robots.txt customizer instead. as it is safer and prevents common mistakes. Choose the option that best fits your SEO knowledge level. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next SEO Lab tutorial.